Hello, we're here once again for a new edition in our Summit Racing Performance Parts Expo video series. Throughout these episodes, we've been talking with some of the aftermarket performance industry's most respective brands to kind of get a sense of, what they've been working on this year and what new products we can expect down the pipeline. Today, we're talking with Garrett Harmola, president and owner of Aldan American, and they've got a new series of RCX double adjustable coilover kits for classic GM cars and trucks. Garrett, good to have you on, sir.
Yeah, Paul, good to be here.
Now, what can you tell us about Aldan American, and what can you tell us about these new RCX kits?
Yeah, so we're excited. Aldan American, we've been around now over 40 years. My team and I, we've been developing, launching tons of new product, and coming out here this fall, we've got our new line of RCX double adjustable coilover shocks. Designed, as you said, for multiple GM classic and modern day muscle cars and two-wheel drive pickup trucks.
So what are some of these new features? Why are these so cool?
Yeah, so with our RCX line, like all of our products, they're made here in the USA. So that's number one. From there, our new front double adjustable from the RCX line, coilovers, they're fully adjustable. So we offer both rebound and compression in these units. The springs as well, they're designed to work with the factory spring pockets. You can run them with various control arms, and they're a true bolt-on design. So with that, they're double adjustable, and they're our latest product that we'll be launching here very, very soon.
Now, you said control arms. Can these be used with the factory control arms?
They can. So they're designed, you can work with factory OEM, and you get a bone stock, 69 Camaro. You can bolt these right in there using that factory control arm. Also, too, they'll work with just about any aftermarket tubular control arm out there on the market.
Now, let's talk ride height. You put a set of these on your car or truck. I mean, what kind of lowering ground effects are we gonna talk about?
Yeah. So our front kits, they're designed, you can achieve a stock level height. You can also lower down about 2 inches right out of the box. For our rear kits as well, we do a full line of double adjustable coilovers with these as well. And they're designed, you can, again, stock height, come down about 2 to 3 inches depending on the kit for the rear. So front, we'll look about 2 inches of drop. Rear, we've got 2 to 3 inches of drop depending on the application.
Right. Speaking of applications, what kind of we alluded to, classics, but you got some modern, relatively modern applications as well. What kind of vehicle types are we talking?
Sure. So for the latest with these kits in this round, we're looking at like the 9906 Chevy and GMC pickups, two-wheel drive, so the Silverado Sierra. We've got those for the fronts. For the rears, your classic GM A body, X body, B body, all the letter in the bodies, we've got them. So whether you're doing a classic Camaro, you've got a Chevelle Camino, for those cars, we've got front kits, and a lot of them we have rear bolt-on conversions as well, both double adjustable. And these stem from, we've had our single adjustable line, and now, with this new evolution of the RCX series, full line of double adjustables with even more adjustment to fine-tune the ride.
Yeah. Speaking of which, are those? Can you list some of the benefits? Why these kits are so cool?
Yeah. So with our RCX line, you gain the benefit. You got 180 points of fine-tuned shock adjustment. So we've developed a rebound adjuster for the top on the front kits. So under the hood, boom, you're adjusting right there. Our compression valve, which we've had in some other designs, that's located at the base of the shock. So the combination of that, whether you're setting up a street car, looking for a little bit smoother ride, or you've got a designated track car or truck, you've got a wide range of shock adjustment now to really get the ride quality that you may be looking for. And in addition to that, fully ride height adjustable. So if you're looking to get rid of some of that fender gap, have a little better looking stance and what have you, looking to lower down and have that adjustability to really set your raker stance. That's another benefit of that ride height adjustability that these kits offer.
Yeah, so you kind of touched on it just a moment ago. I mean, this is a good kit for whether you got a street car or a dedicated track car, right?
Totally. Yeah, we've got a couple of daily drivers here, and we're running them on there. And or if you're dedicated, weekend autocross car, or what have you, fully capable. So we're excited to get these out there and, offer some more adjustment so you really fine tune your ride.
Now, say I'm interested in these kits. I've got a Tri-Five Chevy 55 or whatever it is. How difficult is it to install one of these? Can I do this in my garage at home, or do I need to go to a shop?
Totally. So, as our slogan here, bolt on and go says, that's what they're truly designed for. I mean, I'm a car guy. We're car guys and gals here. So with that, looking for something that is American made and it's got a bolt-on design. So we've developed our front kits, to work with that factory control arm up front. So if you can do, swap the shocks and springs on your car or truck, you can do this kit, and then same for the rear, pull off the factory shocks and springs, bolt these on. So if, you're doing the driveway, you're doing the garage, or you're fortunate enough to have a lift or take it to a shop that has a lift and whatever, you're looking at a few hours time, and, using basic hand tools is what our kits are designed to work with.
And what was the name of these kits again?
Yeah, so it's the RCX line of double adjustable coilovers from Aldan American.
Right on. So it sounds to me like classic GM and modern, some late model GM applications. If you got one of these applications, it's a pretty serious suspension upgrade that you can do in your own home if you wanted to, right?
Absolutely. It's incredible value. It's American made. It's a bolt-on design. We've developed a lot of our brackets, a lot of our mounts and so forth to really be a true bolt-on fitment. So it's, trying to make it as easy as we can and built to stand the test of time.
That is really, really cool. Garrett, thank you for taking some time today to tell us about, what Aldan American's been up to this year. And for those of you new to the Summit Racing YouTube channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And that way you won't miss out on, any new projects or interviews or tech features. Thanks again. We've been talking with Garrett Harmola, president and owner of Aldan American, and he's been talking to us about this RCX double adjustable coilover kits. And that wraps it up for this installment in our Performance Parts Expo video series from Summit Racing.